Hi guys! For today's video guys, samahan niyo naman ako for today's vlog. So, ayan pala guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Hotel Sol. So, ayan. Sobrang ganda ng kanilang swimming pool. You can see guys. It's so very nice guys, the swimming pool here. And we have one gay and one boy swimming. Kaya. And then this one here. So, ayan guys. Sobrang ganda talaga yung yung Seoul Hotel. Ayan yung isa. Ayan. Ayan guys, yung dito sa labas lang yun. Pero wala pa yung sa loob. Yung nandito sa labas is maganda na. Hotel Sol, Clark, Pampanga. So, ayan yung dito guys. Ganda talaga guys. Makikita nyo dito. Here's the other side. And then here is the canteen inside. That's the canteen inside there. And then this one, the waiting area. The ano yun siya? And also day. So hindi pala kami dito magsi-swimming. Meron lang kami ditong pinuntahan. Pinapakita ko lang kasi sa inyo kasi sobrang ganda dito, guys. As in, so hanggang dito na lang, guys. Thank you.